utaeta means was able to sing. Utaeta consists of the verb utaeru, which means to be able to sing, and the verb helper ta, which works as past or present perfect marker. And uttaeta means sued. Uttaeta consists of the verb uttaeru, which means to sue, and the verb helper ta, which works as past or present perfect marker. And if you watch my last video, you know that uttaeru has two pitch patterns, uttaeru and uttaeru. But in the past tense, it has just one pitch pattern, uttaeta. Please watch this video about ta. はい。utaeta, uttaeta, utaeta, uttaeta. So we can say 歌を歌えた was able to sing a song. 歌を歌えた歌を歌えた or 歌を歌えた Both of them are good. And if you sued a girl whose name is Uta, you can say 歌を歌えた歌を歌えた Don't worry about it too much. This is just an exercise for the Japanese pitch accent. Good luck with your studies. 頑張ってください。伝え